Hey guys, this is Pabbly Connect workshop. In this video, you will learn how to integrate You Can Book Me to Salesflare. You Can Book Me is a scheduling tool and Salesflare is a CRM software for small businesses. So basically what we are trying to do is anytime a new booking is created in You Can Book Me, the data will be automatically inserted into Salesflare. But You Can Book Me and Salesflare are two different companies. Hence, there is no integration between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate You Can Book Me to Salesflare. It is actually an easy 3-step process where I will also show you how to create a custom field in Salesflare and even map the data from You Can Book Me into it. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit this website called as Pabbly Connect. Here, click on Sign In. So when you click on Sign In, you will be brought to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now bring your attention to this part called as Connect. Here, click on Access Now. At the right corner, you will find a button called as Create Workflow. Just click it. So a dialog box appears in front of you. It is demanding to give a name. I'm going to give it as You Can Book Me to Salesflare. Salesflare. Then click on Save. When you click on Save, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the Choose app, change it from Webhook to You Can Book Me. This one. In the Choose method, let's keep it as New Booking. So essentially what we are trying to do is, we are trying to connect You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect. So whenever there is a new booking in You Can Book Me, there will be a trigger. So let's go to You Can Book Me. And as you can see, I already have a ton of booking pages. I'm going to click on this booking, Rush Booking. Now bring your attention to this part called as Notifications. Click it and click on Actions. So it is showing the workflows. So here click it, expand it and click on this plus button. So basically these are a set of actions which ask You Can Book Me to do. For example, if a new booking is made, what should You Can Book Me should do? For example, should it send an email or SMS? We want to create a contact in Salesflare. So that is why we are going to click on Webhook. As you can see, it is showing an empty URL. To get the URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want and paste it here. In the HTTP method, change it from get to post and then click on Save Changes. So it's showing that the booking profile has been saved. Okay, so basically we have integrated You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from You Can Book Me. To do that, go back to Pabbly Connect and here you will find a button called as Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, it is showing that it is waiting for a webhook response. So let's create a response in You Can Book Me. So we have a live booking page here. Just click it. And these are the dates and these are the timings available. So I'm going with this timing, 1 p.m. And I'm going to autofill some details of the customer. Email @gmail.com. Phone number is already filled. Sitting, yes, sitting I'm going to keep it as, let's say, red. I'm not a robot. And click on Confirm Booking. Okay, so the booking has been confirmed. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured the data of this person called as Reina. So going back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, give it 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, the data has arrived. So the first name is Reina and the email is reina1234@gmail.com. The phone number is, of course, this one. The sitting is red and the last name is Manuel. So basically we have successfully integrated You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect and we have also captured the data from You Can Book Me. Now we have to sync this data to Salesflare. But before that, let me teach you how to create a custom field in Salesflare. Now let's go to Salesflare. Here at the left bottom, you will find the option called as Settings. Click on Settings. And here you will find the option called as Customize Fields. Click this. Now bring your attention to this part called as Contact. Okay, so here we are going to create a customized field. So to do that, click on this plus button. I'm going to give a name to this field called as Seating. You can assign any name you want according to your discretions. The type is text. Then click on create. Okay, so it is showing that a custom field called as seating has been created. There are many other custom fields called as disum, dash bash and seating. So we have created a custom field. Now we have to ensure that Pabbly Connect can capture or map the data from these custom fields. To do that, go back to Pabbly Connect and click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window appears. This is called as the action window. Here in the choose app, change it from API to Salesflare. In the choose method, we have to change it from the default create a contact to get contact custom fields. Basically, we are going to get the custom fields. Okay, then click on connect. Okay, in previous credentials, we have to keep it as new credentials. In the bearer token, we basically have to get the API keys. To do that, let's go to Salesflare and again click on this icon of settings. So here you will find the option called as API keys. Near at the bottom, you will find the option called as API keys. Click this. As you can see, there are no API keys. To create an API key, click on this plus button at the right corner. So here you have to assign a random name. I'm going to assign DDDHDH, something random, then click on create. Okay, it is showing that the API key has been created. So this is the API key. Copy this and paste it here. Then click on save. Okay, so basically now we are going to integrate it with Pabbly Connect. So to do that, just click on save and send test request. Okay, the API response is showing all the fields, all the custom fields. For example, let's go to our custom fields, contacts, not contacts. Let me show you all the custom fields. These are the custom fields in contact. Okay, these are the custom fields called as disum, dash bash and seating. So let's see what all custom fields Pabbly Connect has captured. So this is the field called as disum and we have dash bash and then we have seating. So all the three custom fields has been captured. Now we are going to create a contact in Salesflare. To do that, again click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window appears. This is again called as the action window. Here in the choose app, change it from API to Salesflare. In the choose method, this time we will keep it as create a contact. Then click on connect with Salesflare. Okay, as usual, in select your credentials, let's keep it as new credentials. In the bearer token, we have already copied the API, so just simply paste it and then click on save. Okay, when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. Basically, with the help of these blanks, we are going to create a prototype of the lead in Salesflare. So in the email, we have already got the email, that is Reena1231234@gmail.com. So the first name, let's see the name that we have mapped, that is Reena. The middle name, not really important. The last name seems to be important. So the last name, yes, this is the last name that we have mapped. The city, let's see the city, that's Bangalore city. Country, let's see whether we have mapped it. Yes, that's India. The state, not really important. Street, not really important. Mobile, whether we have mapped it. I should have mapped it. Phone number, yes, phone number has been mapped. Okay, so now to map the custom field, just enter a pair of curly brackets first. Then inside the curly brackets, enter double quotes. Now inside the double quotes, we are going to map the field, the custom field. To do that, so our custom field I think was a seatings. Yes, this is the API field seating. This is the custom field that we want, API field seating. Then now of course we have mapped the field. Now we have to map the result of this field, the data of this field. As you may remember, the customer has specifically entered the data as red. To map the data as red, we just have to separate the field from the data with help of a colon. Then again enter double quotes, and here inside the double quotes we are going to map the color of the seating. That was red. Yes, the seating is red. Then click on save and send test request. Okay, the API response is showing that it has sent a request to Salesflare. So let's see whether we have a person called as Reena in the contact of Salesflare. So Salesflare, refresh this. Yes, we have a contact called as Reena, and the custom field, in the custom field, the seating is showing as red, and these are the contact details. The presence of this contact shows that we have successfully connected You Can Book Me to Salesflare with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new booking is created by the customer in You Can Book Me, that data will be automatically created as a lead in Salesflare. But for your satisfaction, let's check it one more time if the integration is working fine or not. To do that, first let's go to Pabbly Connect and save this. Okay. Minimize this, save this. Okay. And minimize this. Okay, there is one more thing you have to save. You have saved this. Okay. And minimize this. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Salesflare to Pabbly Connect. And using their data, we created a contact in Salesflare. So let's bring one more booking. Okay, so this time I'm going with Wednesday, again 1 p.m. First name Luffy, last name Yembo, email luffy345@gmail.com, address, let's leave it like that, keep it as Bhopal or something, country, let's keep it as India, phone number 09131323916, seating I'm going to keep it as let's say green would be good. Okay, I am not a robot, and confirm booking. Okay, so a person called as Luffy has scheduled a meeting, and the meeting has been confirmed. So let's see whether we have a person called as Luffy in the Salesflare account. So this is the contact. Let's refresh this. Okay, yes, a new contact called as Luffy Yembo has been made, and the seating is showing as green, and these are the contact details. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a new booking is made, Pabbly Connect will ensure that a new lead is automatically created in Salesflare. Also, you should know not just You Can Book Me and Salesflare, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. Thanks.